what is H dash? First we discuss here what is this symbol mean. U means what? U means position of the object from the pole. Position of object from the pole. It is in both cases, according to sign convention, it will be negative. Okay. Next one is a V. Position of image. Let's write down. Position of image from the pole. Position of the image from the pole. You know that in concave mirror there is virtual and real, both these happen. In convex only virtual image is formed. So let's understand for real what sign is come, for virtual what sign is come. For real it will be positive for real and negative for virtual. Okay. Now next is a F. F is also very interesting thing. Focal length. Okay, it is also depend upon the principal focus. Principal focus is different for the different mirror. Concave mirror it is real, convex mirror it is virtual. So for real we take as a positive sign. For real we take as a positive negative sign, and for virtual we take as a positive sign. Why we are going we get confused if it is so easy? Because when we will study refraction and this phenomena is repeated in the case of image formation in the lenses, and the concept of real and virtual is different for there, and that's why it is happen. Real is different and virtual is different there according to their definition or understanding. So the sign is also be changed. So lots of students, if they are not practice a lot, they generally confuse in these topics. Magnification. What is magnification? Magnification is how the size is small or magnified. It depends upon this factor. So H dash is generally height of image, and upon height of object. What is the height of object? Here things is matter. If height of the image given as a numerical magnitude value positive, means it is erect. When it is given negative, it is inverted. Okay. But in the case of object is always placed or mentioned above the principal axis, will be positive. Is this clear? Another formula of magnification is very important or given, by which you compare both first formula or second formula to solve unknown quantity. Second, m is equal to minus v upon u. Lots of students get confused. Sir, how you remember these things? So it is very easy. Whenever you practice a lot, then you find it, the tricks behind it. You know that lens formula is also same, but there is a minus sign. Lens magnification formula is also same, but there is a positive sign. So just remember, in the mirror formula is a positive and the magnification formula is negative. Remember it. Okay. What is the V and U denotation means? V is the position of image from the pole and u is the position of object from the pole, and its sign is also depend on matters. But this minus sign is already in the formula, so you have to also remember some basics of the mathematics plus minus. Okay, now compare it, like h dash upon h is equal to minus v upon u. Okay, height of the image is given, and suppose v upon u is given negative always. If your image is from real, in that case minus sign, so minus due to the position of minus cancel, and finally answer is come in the minus, and minus sign shows that it is real. Okay, and when it's come in the terms of height of image or any height, if height is comes negative, so it is inverted. If height is come is a positive, and if the value of m is come in a positive, so it's magnified. If negative or less than 0, so it is diminished or between the 0. Okay, so remember these things, it is very important for the aspects of the numerical. Let's discuss what is another things. There is any numerical? No. So in the NCERT page number 168, there are some question is given. Define the principal focus of a concave mirror. They are very easy. The radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is 20 centimeter, and what is the focal length? If the radius of curvature which we discussed earlier 20 centimeter, so the focal length f is equal to r by 2, so 20 by 2, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, name the mirror that can give an erect and enlarged image of an object. Erect as well as enlarge, तो enlarge की बात होगी तो कॉनकेव मिरर ही देता है, और वो एक केस में वर्चुअल इरेक्ट देता है. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज कॉनकेव मिरर. Why do we prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in a vehicle? Because which we discussed in the lecture, कि it first of all a large area seems or looks comes in very small portion, and second things, if your object is so far and it's made or visualize like it's so close, so it's avoid your accident. That's why it is used in the rear view. Okay, now the question on page number 171, some question. Find the focal length of convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 centimeter. One more thing, we can also use the sign convention here, but leave it. Just remember radius of curvature कितना है 32 centimeter. Radius of curvature कौन सा है ये? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पेज नंबर 171. Radius of curvature is 32 centimeter. Very easy, simply f निकालना है आपको. r by 2 होता है, 32 divided by 2, 16 centimeter. Don't use the minus sign here. Okay, it's very simple. Second question, a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object. Place it 10 centimeter in front of you. Where is the image is located? A concave mirror is produced 3 times magnified. Concave mirror तो magnified कई cases में करता है, किस cases में करता है? When it's closer to the concave mirror. Okay, if an object placed 10 centimeter in front of it, maybe the focus is greater than. Where is image located? Image obviously located behind the mirror and magnified. Okay, the last one, last case or sixth case. So next topic is a refraction of light, but let's discuss some exercise question also here. 32 minutes, there is a long video. Okay, so there is a question given for the practice. Question number 11, 13, 12, not 13 is different type, 14 and 15. So let's discuss question number 10. Numerical belongs to the mirror. Okay, question number 10. Just remove it first. Maybe there is some problem of brightness, so be attentive, don't be embarrassed so long. Question number 10, we will short it soon. Question number 10. Whenever I see you, it's due to the focus of the camera, focusing image. Okay. 10. An object 5 centimeter in a length. So you know that in general we can also say that height h is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Because we represent h dash as the height of image, is held 25 centimeter away from converging lens lens, which is the part of refraction. So this we not take here, we will discuss in the refraction. Now we are going to discuss question number, how far on converging lens, 14 convex mirror. Okay, let's discuss 14. Here is mirror, sorry for the inconvenience. An object 5 centimeter in length is placed at a distance 20 centimeter. So same here, h is equal to 5 centimeter and it is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of convex mirror. Place, so u is equal to 20 centimeter. Place, and we also use the minus sign. But the lots of students get questions, sir, how you write this? It is happen after lots of practice. You will visualize everything. Okay. Or when I draw the ray diagram, I also explain there. Distance 20 in front of convex mirror, which you discussed in this video. So convex mirror like this. Polysensor. Convex mirror, radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. Why? What is the help of radius of curvature? It is also help the focal length f is equal to r by 2. It is given 30 centimeter, so 30 by 2, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, and the focal come in positive. Positive क्या है? Real है. Real नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो ऐसा समझिए. Opposite is negative, along is a positive, and convex mirror में always form diminished image. So in the lots of way it's help you. Just start practicing and you have to understand. You are going to be understand. Okay. So where is our object is placed? 20 centimeter. Now understand. 20 centimeter from the pole, u is equal to 20 centimeter. Along back. Okay, so u is equal to minus 20 centimeter. It is opposite to incident. Now strike an line for image forwarding. Now complete the question first. Find the position of the image and its nature and size. So here is not given draw the ray diagram, but always in your question paper, in either you are the student of this session, so your paper divided term first and term second. So I think this chapter is not there. So you are for the new session. Maybe there is a whole part is come in your session after pandemic. Okay. So always written there in this instruction, wherever it's needed, you will draw neat and clean diagram. So it help you. Don't do laziness in the paper. Okay, u is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Find the position of the image and its nature and size. write down here position of image. So basically he wants to know V. Nature you can also write directly without drawing it. Nature will be always what? Virtual and erect. And size you can also write down diminished, but it's want magnitude, which you can find out by the calculation. Okay, so U is placed here, and here is the focus, and here is the center of curvature, and the distance of the focus is coming positive. Understand, from pole to here, F is equal to 15 centimeter. Everything helps you to understand. Just try it. And center of curvature is 30. So you can draw or find out in the both way. Cross check कर सकते हैं कि where we are wrong. अगर if you use a wrong sign convention, so it helps you rediagram. Otherwise, now understand what is the formula. 1 upon F, 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. You can write the formula. You flip the formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. What we need to find? 1 upon V. Let's write like previously. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now put the value. 1 upon V plus 1 upon minus 20 is equal to 1 upon 50. Okay. Now plus minus minus. 1 upon V is equal to this minus plus minus become minus. Minus finally goes another side of the equal. It's goes minus become plus 1 upon 20. Okay. Now take LCM. 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20. So V is equal to, take LCM. In which table 15 and 20 is comes like a 60. 15 4s are, so write 4 here because one numerator there. 20 divided by 60, so 3 is there. Okay, so V is equal to 7 by 60. What we missing here? 1 upon V. So write, lots of students do the mistake. 1 upon V, 1 upon V, 1 upon V. Okay, now flip this reciprocally. V is equal to 60 upon 7 after cross multiply and equating V. V is equal to now 7. Table of the 7. 7 7 is 49, 7 is 56, 7 9 is 63. So 7 8 is 56. What is left? 4. So 40, 7 5 is 35. And so many on in the decimal cases. And what is the sign? Positive or negative? It is positive. So your image is, nature of image is positive image. So it's regularly virtual. And why it's erect? Now look at here and understand or visualize. If this is 15, which is not looking same here, but whenever you draw this, I always say that 15 ka denomination according to number line you are studying, you find it, you make it equally, then you get well right ray diagram. Okay, so where is the 8.5? You know that this lens is diverging mirror. I am talking about lens. This mirror is a diverging. When it's parallel, it appears to meet at a focus. Second, we take as a line goes through its center of curvature from here. Strike, suppose it strike center of curvature. Okay, it's reflect back, so it appears to meet and it goes center of curvature. Na? That's why it reflect back. So somewhere here is the image which is looks diminished. So which we discussed there. So we can find it also height of, because height of object is given. So we need to find h dash also. So for till here we find position of image V is equal to 8.5 centimeter. nature certified, virtual, erect, it is upward. Size is diminished. Size means your value is come less than 5. So let's discuss here. M is equal to H dash upon H is equal to V upon U. For the mirror, we use a minus sign. H dash is the height of image. We need to find it. H is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Minus V is equal to 8.5. So many ones. जितना भी डेसिमल में आए एग्जैक्ट. U is equal to 20 centimeter and minus 20 centimeter. Use all the sign carefully. Put all the sign carefully. H dash is equal to minus 8.55 and minus 20. Minus cancel minus. Okay. H dash is equal to 5 5 is 25. Carry 2. 5 8 is 40. So 42.5 upon 20. H dash. Okay. H is equal to divide by 2. So it's 2 1 21 2 5 ऐसा something आएगा. When you divide it by 20, 2.125 centimeter. Okay, which is really small as comparison of height of object. We will also discuss lots of numerical, but till now in this video we summarize these things and okay, note down this, or you if you want to click screenshot, take it. So students, in next video we are discussing refraction. What is the refraction of the light, and what is the application of refraction of light, why this is happen, cause of refraction, and further we discuss in the next video image formation by the lenses. What is the use of lenses? You know, lenses is used for the spectacles and to looking the figure, come the microscopes. There are so many uses. Okay, you must share this video if you like it, or if you want to share with the needy and helpful students for free knowledge of this. You must be share. It's my request to you. Thank you all students. Thank you. Bye.